Hello, everybody. This is Thang Nguyen. Today, we will talk about a special feature in Excel. That is the data analysis suite. So I will talk about where to find it, what it is, and how to activate it if you have not done so. So when you open your Excel, normally you are on the home page. You will need to click on the Data tab to find it. And if you already activated your data analysis suite, then you will see that on the right-hand side, right? That's the data analysis suite. So what is that? When you click on it, then you will see that it is a collection of special functions in Excel. These functions are typically not interactive. It means that whenever you have the new data, you have to use these functions again, right? The results are not automatically updated when you revise your data. So in our class, most of the time, we're going to use a histogram function and the regression function. These are these functions, right? Please feel free to try other functions in this suite. So because I already activated the suite, and that's why I can find it here. And for you, if you have not activated this suite, then you will not see it here, right? We need to activate it before you can see it. So from home, normally you start with the home page, right? Please find the File tab, click on it, and go down to see the options, and then click on it. And in the options, right, you can find add-ins on the left panel. Click on it. And when you go to the bottom here, when you see the Manage Excel Add-ins, on the right-hand side, you see the Go button. So click on the Go button. And in here, there are several checkboxes for you to check, right? In our class, we only need the analysis two-pack. So you need only to check the analysis two-pack option. And then click OK. Then you already activate the suite. In my case, because I already have it, I do not need to activate it one more time, right? So I just click on Cancel and get out. So after you activated the suite, you need to go back to the tab and try to find it on the right-hand side. If you do not see it, then you might need to close your Excel and reopen it. Then you will be able to see it. If you are using Mac, then you will need to explore the tab on the panel, and you will see the Excel add-ins, and you will be able to activate that also. So thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck with activating the data analysis suite in Excel.